right, ladies and gentlemen, it's a wonderful section down here at Shohun Township Stadium. Now His Imperial Majesty is out of the way now, going back to duty as well as usual. And we say thank you to you, Your Imperial Majesty. We really appreciate you. Your contributions to Ogbomoso land has been wonderful and very, very tremendous. We really appreciate you. Thanks for coming and make it a point of duty with us down here in the city of Ogbomoso. It's a wonderful moment now. His Imperial Majesty out of Shohun Township Stadium on his way home. And that's the situation after having the first half moment with the ladies football, the wonderful edition of its kind. I will also remind you that by December during the Cradles Carnival, this final of this tournament will be going down here. We say thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Now, on the way home, and not forgetting the Sheikh Abibulai, a wonderful Palace Imam. He's very, very much around. He's also a lover of sports. All of them are very much around here. We say goodbye, and not forgetting the Palace Chaplain. They were together at the Ogbomoso Township Stadium. Look at that. There is no disparity in the religion in the city of Ogbomoso because two of them are very, very much around. We are saying thank you to all of you. Now, not forgetting the High Chief Shobalaje of Ariago of Ogbomoso land very much around. All of them are so much here. We really appreciate you. Thanks for coming. All of them. Now, Alabede, not forgetting Alaba, we welcome you, sir. That's the situation. Everybody is on their way out of the city of Ogbomoso now. All right, that's the situation. Everybody on their way home now. That's the moment. Look at that. Alao is here. All of them. Hey, ó ti pọ̀ jù. Àwọn eléyìí. Hold on. One love, one love, one love. Thank you. Focus. We really appreciate you. Focus. Alpha. Now, everybody is on their way home now to make sure that we have a wonderful smooth sailing. Now, Kabiyesi. $200. Okay, now everybody is on their way home now. That's the situation. Now we are moving out of Ogbomoso Township Stadium. We really appreciate you. Thank you. Now, thank everybody. Look at that. I want my body. I want to go to Wale. Look at them. That's the situation. Everybody on their way home. Now Sheikh Abibulai leaving the stadium. Now, we really appreciate every one of you. That's the situation of what you are seeing down here in the city of Ogbomoso. That's been the moment. Weather. All right, the Palace Chaplain. All right, thank you. We really appreciate you. Well done. Fatima. All right, that is the situation down here at Ogbomoso Township Stadium. We really appreciate the men of Nigerian Police Force. Thanks for keeping the situation. We really appreciate you. And that's the situation for today. That's what you are seeing live down here in the city of Ogbomoso from Shohun Township Stadium, where His Imperial Majesty just left the pitch now in order to continue with other assignments in his palace. We really appreciate your coming. Really appreciate everyone for making it a day with us down here in Ogbomoso Township Stadium. That has been the moment. Thanks everyone for making it a day with us down here. And we are saying thanks to His Imperial Majesty for making this wonderful moment a brighter one. Because in the meantime, by December time, the final match of this competition is going to go down during the Cradles Carnival. That's why we'll be having the final moments of this match down here in the city of Ogbomoso. So we say we appreciate everybody for making it a day with us down here in the city of Ogbomoso, Oyo State. And that's the situation, what you are seeing down here, down in the city. So we really appreciate everyone for making it happen. Oh my God. All right, sir. All right. This is the wonderful chairman CEO of Talking Drum. Also very much around. We really appreciate you. Thanks for coming, sir. We'd love to see you by the final match. We really appreciate you. Thank you so much. And that has been the moment. Look at the dignitaries who come around. We really appreciate you. Thanks for coming around. Thank you so much, bro. That's the situation you are seeing down here. And the wonderful LMJ. We really appreciate you. That's the LMJ representing the Ogbomoso North and Orire constituency down here in the city. Now, honorable LMJ. Hey, come on. Oh my God, this LMJ team living the moment now. All LMJ crew, we really appreciate you. Thanks for coming. And that's the situation. Everybody's leaving the pitch now. And Ogbomoso really appreciate everyone who make it down here at the Orumogege football competition going down here today. So the next moment now, we'll be looking forward to anybody who can make it happen. But as we speak to you now, the moment is done down here. Then we'll go back to the pitch for the second half of this tournament. Will be for the second half of this wonderful tournament that will be going down here at Shohun Township Stadium. And that has been the moment with everyone. We really appreciate everyone who make it happen. Thank you very much. It has been with Ogbomoso Focus TV Live. We're just showing you the out of the stadium where everything looks like we are very much in making it happen down here. So that's the situation with everybody who loves, who come around for this wonderful tournament. So at this moment, we'd like to go back to inside the pitch for the second half of this tournament. We don't know how everybody is gonna make it happen, but at this moment, the chairman leaving the pitch now because we don't know if he's making it happen. But this is Open Alao, the representative of the engineer Seyi Makinde at this tournament. We really appreciate you, Babalaje. Thanks for making it happen. Thank you so much. God bless you, sir. That is engineer Open Alao, the representative of engineer Seyi Makinde at this tournament. We really appreciate you. Wish you safe trip back to your destination, sir. Thank you so much. And that has been the moment with everyone who come around for this tournament. Thank you so much on behalf of His Imperial Majesty and the good people of Ogbomoso land. We really appreciate everyone watching us online, watching terrestrially, and from wherever you are watching us from around the world. We really appreciate you. The men of Nigerian Police Force, we say thank you, sir. That's the situation. We really appreciate you. So now in a moment, we'll be going back online while we go back to the stadium now to show you the second half of this tournament. But that has been the outside arena you are seeing when the dignitaries are leaving. So please, in a few minutes now, please stay tuned and join us live again for the second half of this wonderful tournament, the female football match in honor of His Imperial Majesty Orumogege football competition, the second edition of its kind, down here in the city of Ogbomoso. Thank you so much. We really appreciate you. Thanks for staying tuned while we go back inside the stadium now.